Hello friends. Last week I was watching a YouTube reels. There I have seen one movie, The Flame Logic. So after seeing that logic and everything, I thought that why don't we give a try using the T-SQL. So after that I developed this function just with some use cases. Okay, you know that like what exact the flames is F friends, and you can find the relationship between what could be the relationship between the two persons. Okay, this is just movie logic. Okay, don't take it that any seriously or anything something like that. Just for the logic. Okay, now I am creating the one function here, and how it goes like here I am taking two names. One is Arsha and one is Aparna. Here first I want to cancel two. What are the common letters? So H is there but no H. For AR is there one A and one A is getting cancelled. R and R is getting cancelled. There is no H, there is no H, and one A is there. For this one A and this one A is getting cancelled. Now total we have three from Harsha and three letters from Aparna. Now we have total six. Now we have to start one. If I start 1 2 3 4 5 6, now first letter we have to remove S. Whenever we remove the S, the next starting letter should be the next letter. So it is round circle. Now it is go to the F. Once you calculate that 1 2 3 4 5, and it will end with um, F. Okay, now it will end. It will end with remove F, and it will start with L. Why? Because once it is ended with S, this could be L. Now after that, next letter will be like that. So like that, if you calculate, if you remove the counting letters, okay. Now finally you will get M. And what about if they have same letters, and for that you need to write some logics and everything, handles and everything. So now how to use that? Let's see this. Okay, now same up here we used to get marriage. What about if I give the same name? Okay, why? Because same name will get cancelled or it could be zero. So in that case, you will get response like as a, what is the like you have to manually mention that both names are you have to indicate that it's a special case, both having same names. Okay, you can also mention that both are same names cannot be available for the flames suitable. Now what about if the null values? If I give the null value, what could be the results? So whatever the you are like use case, you can mention that null values cannot be accepted like that. So what about if I give the space and letters and everything? So it will consider as a numbers as well, okay, or characters as well. Okay, so now it's all about logic what you are going Romeo and Juliet. So a simple, if I select all these things, click test. So for the special cases, you are getting like both names same, invalid input for nulls and friends, enemies like that. So how to use this one for if you have a table? So for that, let's see this one. So I'm creating two tables. Sorry, I'm creating one table, and I'm creating some inserting some values here. So to see the data, you can add the computed column if you want. Otherwise, you can voluntarily generate that as well. For example, here, so you can do like this. Okay, or if you want, you can add the names as well. Later, you can add all this information into couples as well, auto calculated. Okay, so this logic, whatever you are saying is the, I mean, virtual result. It's a virtual result. I mean, these values are, if you want to go on store these values also, you can also store these values. Okay, yeah. Now generally if you go to the values, if you are large tables, and you can insert the values as well, whatever the results, and you have to store some you can create this some store procedure, and wherever the null values are not values any data is null, then only those values will get calculated. So it's all up to you. Okay, so as of now this is fine for me. Why? Because I am using the function here to see the flame result. So yep. So I'm going to give the code. Okay, and if I go, I'm going to give the code, and if you have anything interesting, you can add and you can utilize as per your requirement. Okay, I hope you may like this funny thing. And yep, thank you watching this video. Bye.